Hello all, welcome to the program Know Your Government by Ekam IAS, an initiative where we pick a government scheme, elaborate on its features and is followed by a question which is in line with the UPSC pattern. Today we will look into precisely two different initiatives. Be very clear with this. One is the Inspire program and another one is Inspire 2018. Now, Inspire program and Inspire 2018 are basically two different initiatives. Inspire 2018 was in news recently. So, there is a possibility for aspirants to get confused between these two. So, that is why we thought of coming up with these two content in a single video so that you can understand the difference between both of them. Now, let us move on. Inspire, the program basically refers to innovation in science pursued for inspired research. Innovation in science pursued for inspired research is the expansion of the Inspire program, whereas Inspire 2018, which was related in news, was basically an international symposium to promote innovation and research in energy efficiency. So, the symposium was held recently and that was to promote innovation and research in energy efficiency. Let us now first go quickly and see the features of this innovation in science pursued for inspired research program or the Inspire program. Inspire program is a program which has been implemented by the Ministry of Science and Technology. It's a program which has been started a little older, so probably in the year of 2008 or so. It is the Department of Science and Technology which is implementing this program of Inspire, and the key purpose of the Inspire program is to attract talent to the excitement and study of science at an early age. So in ensuring that there are proper avenues to attract good talent to pursue study in science field so that they can in a larger sphere complement to the R&D roles which is required for the nation was one of the idea of this Inspire program. At an early age, giving proper guidance and systems in place so that young children get attracted to the science stream was the idea of this Inspire program. To help the country build the required critical resource pool, especially in the science segment, that is through strengthening and expanding the S&D system and R&D base with a long-term foresight was the key idea of the Inspire program. Now, the Inspire program had basically three components. First component was something which is known as SEEDS, second one is SHE, and third one is AORC. SEEDS basically means Scheme for Early Attraction of Talent. Scheme for Early Attraction of Talent is the SEEDS scheme. Second one is Scholarship for Higher Education. Scholarship for Higher Education is the SHE or the SHE component, and third one is Assured Opportunity for Research Careers. Assured Opportunity for Research Careers, AORC. Now, what it happens is the Inspire scheme, the three subcomponents in which the SEEDS program is focusing upon Inspire Awards and Inspire Internship. So, through awards, encouraging young talents and young minds to come into the field of technology was the idea of Inspire Awards, whereas promoting an opportunity to nurture their talent by giving them proper internship opportunities was the idea of Inspire Internship Initiative. Whereas under the SHE program, Inspire Scholarship was given to aspirants. Inspire Scholarship was given to aspirants so that they pursue their higher education in science related streams. Whereas AORC program was having two components. So one of Inspire Fellowship and other one was the Inspire Faculty Award. We'll see that in detail now. Scheme for Early Attraction of Talent. Scheme for Early Attraction of Talent or the SEED scheme aims to attract talented youth to study science. How? By inspiring an award of rupees 5,000 to 1 million young learners between the age group of 10 to 15 years. So, through this mode, they are trying to attract good talents in the learning of science and technology was the idea of SEEDS program. Also, by arranging summer camps. So, during summer camps, they are given an opportunity to interact with and learn from prominent industrial experts as part of their internship opportunity as well was also envisaged in this one. So that is the seed component of the program. Now, second one is scholarship for higher education. Scholarship for higher education wherein which enhance the rate of attachment of talented youth to undertake education in the science field. So, talented youth to take education in the science field. How? By providing them with proper scholarships and mentorship was the idea of the SHE program. So, in which the children or people in the between the age group of 17 to 22 has been identified, and for them a scholarship of 0.8 lakh per year, that is close to rupees 80,000 per year, was given as scholarship to them. So, because of this amount, there is a possibility that interested talent, money will not be a constraint for them to pursue their aspiration in the science learning part. That was the idea of scholarship for higher education. The main feature of the scheme is the mentorship support provided to every scholar. So, apart from this money part, there was a proper mentorship support also given to people too. The third component is AORC, that is assured opportunity for research careers. So, for all those people who are pursuing research in the science stream, it has got basically two components. One is an Inspire Fellowship as well as the second one is an Inspire Faculty Scheme. Inspire Fellowship component was mainly for the for people from the age group of 22 to 27. So, those people who have done their graduation and probably post-graduation, then in the age group of 22 to 27, it basically offers 1000 fellowships every year for carrying doctoral degrees in the science related or applied science related aspects, including engineering and medicine, was the idea of Inspire Fellowship Initiative. So, after their completion, so it is going on in a cycle. So, initially, they would identify talent at the school age, then promoting them to study science in the graduation level and in the PG level, then supporting them for their doctoral level, and further that helping them as Inspire Faculty Scheme. It offers assured opportunity to every year for 1000 post-doctoral researchers. So, after their doctorate, again encouraging people to continue with the post-doctoral research through contractual and tenure tracking position. Through contractual positions, they will be given contractual jobs, etc., so that they are continuing in this same stream. That was the key crux or the idea of the Inspire program. But the entity which was in news recently was Inspire 2018. That is a different ball game altogether. This is basically an international symposium to promote innovation and research in energy efficiency. So, energy efficiency in those streams focusing upon the energy, focusing upon the innovations was the idea of this Inspire 2018. This was basically a 3-day symposium, and that would focus on enhancing what all aspects. One was focusing upon enhancing the grid management. Second thing was e-mobility, financial instruments and technologies for energy efficiency in India. 4 ambits of e-mobility, grid management, financial instruments and technology part has been what has been focused upon. This one, the one which happened in 2018 was the second iteration of this one, wherein which the first international symposium or the Inspire symposium has happened in 2017, and this is being organized by Energy Efficiency Service Limited with the support of World Bank. Energy Efficiency Service Limited with the support of World Bank. Then, Innovate to Inspire, a first of its kind Energy Innovation Challenge was also positioned in this one. So, as a pre-run to this event, this Innovate to Inspire Challenge was put across so that citizens across the nation could come up with proper energy related innovation part and can put up and submit their entry into this symposiums. Then, the Innovate to Inspire Challenge was organized by EESL and World Resource Institute. So, World Resource Institute was partnering with EESL to organize this challenge, whereas it was the World Bank was partnering with EESL to organize the symposium. Then, during Inspire 2018, EESL gave, that is a wholly owned subsidiary of GAIL India Limited, signed a memorandum of understanding between them for what? To develop natural gas based cogeneration and trigeneration projects in commercial and industrial sectors in our nation. So focusing upon natural gas related project developments was also one of the key outcome which has happened as a result of the memorandum of understanding which was signed between EESL and GAIL in the INSPIRE 2018 symposium. Now, let us now see a question which is based upon this one. This question we have picked based upon the recent symposium aspect. So, the question is, Innovate to Inspire challenge seen in news is related to. Innovate to Inspire challenge seen in news is related to A. Energy efficiency, nuclear fission, biostats and carbon emission. Having now seen or understood the content of what basically was INSPIRE 2018, Innovate to Inspire challenge is something which is related to INSPIRE 2018 and that is focusing upon the energy efficiency part. So the correct answer is option A, energy efficiency. Thank you so much.